Assalamu alaikum. Today we prepare Afghani Koftay. कम मसालों में बच्चों को पसंद आने वाली बेहतरीन रेसिपी. Oil 4 to 6 tablespoons. Shallow fried koftas. Now 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 large onion, roughly chopped. Add 3 green chilies, green cardamom. When onion turns soft, turn off the flame. Now add 13 to 15 almonds. 1 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. धनिया की है डंडियों समेत, डंडियां लाजमी डालनी है. नाउ ग्राइंड इट. 1 tablespoon of oil. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter and grind well. Now add 1 tablespoon peeled ginger garlic paste. Now add a grinded gravy and again mix. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed white chili, salt to taste, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon, and mix well. Now add 1 cup of yogurt. Now add 1/4 cup of cream. Koftas. Turn the flame low and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, Afghani koftas are ready. How did you like this recipe? Let me know in the comments below. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you soon with another delicious recipe. Allah Hafiz.